Hey team, Tim Thomas here today. Wanted to get up and just speak to you on an inspirational note and hope you're doing great today. Hey guys, if you enjoy this video, I would like for you to hit the subscribe button. If you're not a subscriber, we'd like for you to like the video if you've been inspired today by the video. Hey guys, wanted you to know that it is possible to live life on your own terms, to go where you want to go, do what you want to do, and have the happiness that you deserve. So folks, I'm excited today. Guys, I upload a video almost on a daily basis to bring you inspiration and to help you create a lifestyle of freedom, financial freedom, and living life on your own terms. It's super exciting. Guys, we did a review yesterday on a mailing list company that we are super excited about and that we're inspired to bring to you. It's called Wilsonlist. Guys, if you need email leads, for your business, email marketing, or direct mail. These are people that have raised their hands. These are people that have said, hey, I want to make money on my own terms. I want to make money from the comfort of my home. I want extra income. I want financial freedom. These people on the Wilson's list have been proven. They have responded to a money-making opportunity. And that is exciting. Today, I want to talk to you briefly, and I got an inspirational video for you at the end of this video. So stay tuned all the way, guys, to the end. You're going to like it. So, guys, the Wilson's List is a proven mailing list. I've been using Wilson's List for over 12 years now, and I have been inspired, and I have been encouraged, and I have been pushed along through the names on this list. Now, guys, I use this list and I use another list and simultaneously, but Wilson's List I use 75-80% of the time. It has won for me over and over and over again. I endorse it. We're going to go in just a minute and talk about the testimonials of Wilson's List and what people have to say and how people were inspired by it. But first of all, before we go there, let's talk about how to earn unlimited income on a daily basis. Folks, I didn't upload proof today, but we had over a $285 day today, and it was $1,400 yesterday. Because how to get unlimited income daily. What you do, guys, you position yourself and you commit to your business or your businesses. I like multiple streams of income. So if something's not performing one day, we've got something else along the way that's helping it to perform. So that's exciting. So you commit yourself to your business or your businesses, and guys, you can win, and you can win big. You want to offer value in products and services to solve a problem. Help enough people get what they want in life. You help enough people, guys, and you'll help yourself over and over again. Help people get what they want in life, and you will have everything in life that you want. It's a process of reaping and sowing. You sow the good value. You sow goodwill, transparency. And all you can do is point people in the right direction. And it's up to them as to what they do with the information that you have provided. It is up to them to take solid action and follow proven, predictable plans, and they can win, and they can win big. So when you offer value, guys, when you offer value, people will cling to you. Money will chase you down. Money will wake you up, and money will lay you down at night. I'm telling you what, folks, money will come at you in all directions. And when you think about it, it can solve your money problems. You have the power, you have the ability to be able to live the life that you were designed to live. Market products and services, folks, that are relevant and that are currently working in the marketplace. Folks, we don't want to market products that were here in 1976. We might want to have some of the same concepts, but we want products and services and things that offer value that are currently working now in 2019, 2020, 2021 that are relevant now and that are producing, again, the word value in the lives of people, that are genuinely working and that are conducive and working in the marketplace. Market daily. Folks, do something in your business on a daily basis. And I'm telling you what, you set things in place and then you can scale your business beyond your wildest imagination. Scale your businesses using traffic methods that work, and you do it over and over and over again. There's no use of trying to reinvent the wheel. Find what successful people are doing and you follow the pattern. And that's what I have done, folks. I have found what successful people do, and I follow the same pattern of success. Because if it works for them, guys, there's no magical formula. You find the formula for success and you copy it. Like McDonald's. McDonald's has success all over the world because they have a pattern. They have a blueprint. You can put a 16-year-old into a McDonald's and they can run. Walmart has a pattern of success. You can put the average person in a Walmart, give them a blueprint on how to run, conduct that thing, and they can win because it's a proven pattern. Follow predictable patterns and structures, guys, and you can win big. What I want to show you today was Wilsonlist testimonials. Let's go over to Wilson's. Let's walk over here. And Wilsonlist provide direct mail leads, email leads, testimonials. And here is the order form. These are direct marketing leads. These are people that are actively seeking money-making business opportunities to help them increase their income. They are eager prospects waiting for you to show them your offer. Your offers can really pay off with top-notch, top-of-the-minute list, super responsive opportunity seekers. If you have a good money-making offer or network and you need leads, they can be supplied through Wilsonlist at unbeatable prices. The testimonials. These are the following comments that we have received from some of our satisfied customers. Recently, we have ordered 500 names. 30 days later, we received over 100 replies. Absolutely no nixes. We have never experienced such a high rate of replies. I thought you get what you pay for. I only ordered 200 names and 1,000 from the expensive list. Guess what? I got more from the 200 names than the 1,000 from the expensive list. Thank you for providing quality names at an affordable price. We have always received excellent responses from your mail list. Our response rate have skyrocketed over 80% with our last mailing. Your list is the best by far. Thank you for your prompt response to my request for 5,000 names. It is my 4th order, and I compliment you on the quality of these names. The last time I used your mailing list, I received a 6% response and thought it was great. I highly recommend your list. Guys, over a 6% response. Folks, over a 6% response. Anything in direct mail, folks, if you're doing over 1% in direct mail, you can win. You can be better than break even, paying for your mailing costs. And folks, that's what it takes. We're in business to make money. But at the same time, you have to put something into your business in order to produce results. And with Wilsonlist, we want you not only to make money, we want you to get a return on your investment. That is incredible to me, folks. I've tried several lists from expensive list companies. No response, but your list draws every single time. That was another testimony from Joe Q in Greensburg, PA. Here's another testimonial. I purchased lists from various dealers at prices as low as $20 and high as $100 per thousand. Inevitably, I got back loads of nixes and in most cases 0 responses. And I discovered your lists were reasonably priced, yet produced responses averaging 6% or more. Folks, that is something else. consistently good names for the price. Folks, that's what Shirley in New York had to say. That's what C. Cubans in Shirley, New York had to say. When you want to order, guys, you can go over here and just list out all the prices. You can get direct mail leads, #1, on pill and stick labels. I click here, pressurized pill and stick labels. I use random sorted zip codes. If you need email leads, guys, email marketing is hot. Direct mail marketing is hot. They have this. If you want a list of people that are looking for money-making opportunities, here they are. Folks, if you want a server that will serve up these emails for you, when you order 5,000 or more names, you get it as a bonus. You get your own fully functional express mail server, which turns your computer into a bulk email server. That is powerful. And folks, these are double opt-in leads. And folks, it will mail out for you. It is a stress-free bulk emailer campaign, and is yours free when you buy leads at the $5,000. The 5,000 opt-in email leads, not the dollars, guys. It's $200 for those leads, guys. So guys, this is what you need. You take action. You order your names, and you start mailing. You mail 20 postcards a day. Mail 40 a day. Mail 50 a day. Don't mail all of them at once. Spread your mailings out. And folks, you can win. Again, let's recap the video. Let's do a recap here. Commit to your business and your businesses. How to earn unlimited income daily. Commit. Offer value. Market products that are relevant, that are currently working in the marketplace. Folks, we have on this channel, we have several opportunities that work on, guys, that you can earn full-time income and life-changing income. You market daily and you scale your businesses up using different traffic methods. And guys, from day to day, from time to time, I'm going to be offering strategies on how to get traffic to your lead capture page, how to get traffic to your postcards, how to have buyers hungry, looking for what you have to offer. Guys, I'm excited to bring this video to you. I got something I want to show you. Stay tuned, guys, for this inspirational video.
You have time. You have the knowledge and the willpower and the discipline to get it done. Your heart, your life, your happiness is your responsibility and your responsibility alone.
One day, you're going to realize your life is yours, and there's a lot of people important to you that surround it, but ultimately it's yours.
Then you must decide where you want to invest this life. Invest in something worthwhile.
You have to picture yourself there. Wherever it is, you've got to picture yourself there. All right, the next step is you've got to believe it.
Number one in your life's blueprint should be a deep belief in your own dignity, your own worth, and your own somebodyness. Don't allow anybody to make you feel that you are nobody. See, sometimes we can't say, I can do that. But what we can say, that it's possible that I can have my dream as we run toward it, as we work on it day in and day out.
They were going to make a change, and then they made it.
This is your moment. It's not tomorrow. It's not next year. It's not when you're going to graduate. It's right here, right now. And every choice you make, you're impacting that thing.
We're going to be lying. You know when a lion is itching, when a lion is bleeding, he licks his wounds and he keeps walking.
Your time is one of the most powerful tools you will ever have.
Let home. Let home. And when that thing tells you to quit, you look at it in his eye and say, I ain't going nowhere. I will break you before you break me.
Be like
shark. You will think like a shark. You can't go backwards. If you stop swimming, you will die.
If life knocks you down, try and land on your back. Because if you can look up, you can get up. This is the year of the Lord. Act like you hear me. This is the year of the what? This is the year of the what? Act like it.
The moment and the time for you to change your life is now.